16 Modern Dining Room Ideas. Take a cue from this beautiful modern space and add a vibrant piece of modern art, like this one from Johanna_Reynolds, to create a finished, purposeful look in your dining room. Modern furniture is often comprised of stark lines and sleek angles, which could make a room feel stark and cold. But by adding a pop of color with an oversized piece of art, you can create a warmer, cozier look while maintaining a contemporary tone. This stunning dining room from K. Charlotte Photo features soft yellow chairs, an eye-catching modern chandelier, and a stunning graphic rug to tie the whole look together. While modern can mean a lot of different things to different people, we think decorating in a modern style gives you a little more freedom to experiment with bolder colors and designs that won't clash with the furniture. A dining room is a great place to experiment with bold wallpaper, as seen in this space from Rachel SD Realtor. We can't get enough of this textured look, which is endlessly interesting and unique. By maintaining a fairly simple color palette, the designer is able to experiment with unique patterns and accents without overwhelming the space. If you have an open concept floor plan, a modern dining room is a great choice as it can create a seamless flow from dining to living space. We love this modern look from experimenting with decor that features a neutral wood table paired with contrasting black chairs. When you opt for simple modern furniture, a contrasting color palette can add enough visual interest to keep the space warm and welcoming. This lovely dining space from Revival Room features a table with traditional flourishes paired with modern accents, such as these bold teal dining chairs and the industrial-inspired light fixture. Don't be afraid to play with traditional pieces as long as the rest of the room feels fresh and modern. This beautiful home from Lori Dennis Inc. features an extensive modern art collection that plays wonderfully with the ultra-contemporary dining set. A modern dining room is a great place to display works of art to give the space dimension and texture. The minimalist look is very much in vogue right now, and this open-concept dining room from Viv and Tim Home proves it is a great way to style modern furniture. A minimalist space is often pared down to only the essentials. We love how airy and open a minimalist modern space can look, but adding in a few pieces of greenery is a great way to keep it from feeling too stark. On the other hand, this modern dining space from Lily_Atno3 proves that with the right furniture, you can still keep your space simple and minimalist in approach without it feeling stark or unfinished. When opting for a simple, modern look, pick a dining room paint color that will add dimension to the space and play well with your table and chairs. Not only is a glass dining table elegant and modern, but it's also easier to clean and perfect for an open-concept home. We love this stunning kitchen and dining space from Sana's Design_Interiors, which utilizes a modern glass table to open up the space and give it even more light. Glass is also a great choice if you are searching for a table that plays well with modern embellishments like gold or brass. While you may think the mismatched chair look is reserved for farmhouse or shabby chic homes, this dining space from Kate Pierce Vintage proves it works just as well in a modern space. We love the array of different modern styles that play off of each other wonderfully. Plus, this allows the rest of the room to mix and match different styles, such as traditional and formal, and still keep this room modern and playful. This dining room from Easy Interior takes as a chic, feminine take on modern style. We love the ghost chairs and gold finishes that give it a glam look and feel. When adding gold accents to your dining space, keep the rest of the space muted with whites, beiges or soft pinks to avoid creating a stuffy atmosphere. We can't get enough of mid-century modern style, and this dining room from Zoller Renos proves why this look has remained trendy year after year. With its angular designs and straight lines, mid-century modern is a lovely way to bring a modern and vintage feel into your space. We love pairing MCM decor with deep hues such as navy, black or hunter green, either as an accent wall or through accessories. Contemporary design often features a mix of neutral and bold colors and deliberate use of textures and statement-making materials. We love this dining room from Mine House Staging, which features deep blue chairs with a gold metal finish, plus an eye-catching chandelier. This dining nook from Becky Bratt is filled with personalization and elegance. The muted bench cushion gives it a modern cafe vibe, while the square gold light fixture offers a touch of the contemporary. We love mixing different elements of modern style to create a space that feels purposeful and personal. This oversized dining room from Greg Natali proves that modern, contemporary design can still feel formal. We love the use of bold blue chairs and the metallic gold bookshelf that doubles as an art display. If you have the space, a dining room is a lovely place to showcase your favorite pieces and to provide more visual interest. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.